Yo, what's going on, guys? Unfortunately, a little setback again. Ended up blowing the combine today, and it's a tough one because it's not even like, it's honestly not even through revenge trading. I don't know, it's almost like tougher because when I blew them from revenge trading and, breaking all my rules, it's like, oh, okay, once I fix that, then, I'll pass the account. And then I feel like this trading combine, I traded by my rules. The one setup today, I could have improved on, for sure. But I do think the setup was still there. And I guess, sorry, dude, I swear I'm always coughing on these. It's like, it's tough to not get discouraged, for sure. But, like, I don't know, I just had a really bad trading week in terms of price action. I mean, like, or just in terms of my trades, Pretty much had one winning day in the past 5 trading days. It's just like, makes you wonder if this really is for you. But I'm gonna stick with it and really try and dial in. I'm gonna go over one of the trades I took. Actually, that's another thing. I took 3 trades today. So, like, I guess I kind of overtraded, but maybe I might start trying, like, recording my trades, because it might make me a little more level-headed if I'm, like, kind of talking them out. I mean, I don't know if that's the problem, because I do think that the setups were there today. Alright, so, sorry. Here are the setups. Coming in the day, I was still bullish. I think, here, let me get rid of these. We had a lot of low resistance liquidity to the upside, as well as previous week highs. Pretty much, I don't know if that's enough. I don't know if that's enough to call it triple relative equal highs, but definitely double, like, relative equal highs here. Unfortunately, price wanted to come down. It looks like we're gonna come fill out this 4-hour unfilled. Yeah. Coming in the day, trade 1 is the one I risked the most on. And then after that, I just had to de-risk. Trade 1. So we tapped 1 hour for value gap, pre-market open. Started making moves up. We inversed the 1 minute. I think we inversed pretty much every time frame after we tapped this. Yeah, inverse on the 5 minute right here. We also had an SMT with, I believe this is Asia lows. Yeah, wait, SMT with Asia lows. SMT with Asia lows tapped into a 1 hour for value gap. inverse the 5-minute. This is still pre-macro though, so I waited for macro, traded down, fill the 1-minute, fill the 1-minute fair value gap, and then I literally bought off break structure to the upside because I was pretty confident, because you said so much bullish confirmation. I thought, we tapped in this 1 minute, respected it, broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute, I answered, and then pretty much just immediately got stopped out. My stop was down here. Oh no, that was for this one. That's kind of messy. Okay, then this one was one that I could have definitely improved on. This was a bad trade. We came down and we didn't take this, so now we put in relative equal lows. Relative equal lows. But then we inversed the 1 minute and the 2 minute, and I entered, and then we obviously came down and swept the relative equal lows. That one definitely shouldn't have, because I even thought, is this good because we have relative equal lows? But I still, my bad. Still decided to take it. Got stopped out, and then this one, pretty much the same trade. We didn't have any fair value gaps here between the 1 and the 5 minute, but we had 30-second. We filled this 1 hour gap again. We had a CE of like a 5-minute wick here that we wicked. I didn't enter off that though, and then I entered off the 30-second inversion. This candle, it's a yellow line, bought off this. The whole time I was targeting this high because it's like a relative equal high. Unfortunately, it looks like we want to go fill out this 4 hour. But yeah, I don't know, it was no news on Tuesday. Maybe price action just wasn't good, but overall I don't hate the setups. This one, maybe this one weren't the best, but in this one I don't mind. We also had I'm pretty sure we had an SMT internally somewhere, and then higher time frame PD array, 30-second inversion. So it's the setup, in my opinion, is there. It's just not hitting. I think it's again, yesterday I was watching here. I was watching a Blake video. And this was the trade I was talking about yesterday where I missed out on because I was waiting for the 5-minute inversion. And he actually took this trade, even though he's preaches the 5-minute, but he said it's just due to he took this 2-minute inversion just because he said the narrative is there. It's just stuff like that you need to learn, that'll come with time. If I took that trade, it's a whole different story. We're up on the week, maybe. It is what it is though. It's just stuff you have to learn with time, which I know it's why I have to stick with it. But it is just tough, especially when you have a bad week like this. I think this is the 5th combine I've blown, maybe 6th, since going for them. That was about 3.5 months ago. But yeah, I don't know. Just gotta stick with it, I guess. Everything will come in time. That's what I told myself in pass, you know. I just gotta stick with it. But yeah, I think it's gonna be all. I don't know if I'm gonna buy another combine right away. Sorry, I'm just distracted. I don't know if I'm gonna buy a combine right away. Probably soon, but we'll see. Yeah, anyway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.